This is me today, more confident and happy. Confidence wins us many things. That date, the job interview, that moment of fame, the feeling of the world is mine to conquer. Or even simply that selfie with hundreds of likes, perhaps a few thousand. And for me, that confidence meant a fit body, good skin and hair, while eating a healthy diet, great amount of water intake and playing tennis helped me achieve it. I got some extra help with my receding hairline using Anveya's hair growth Vitalizer. This serum is effective and simple to use. It is non-sticky and has no side effects, unlike Minoxidil. This one has proven to be 2 times better than Minoxidil. All you have to do is apply a generous amount using the dropper directly to your scalp, massage into scalp using fingertips, wash your hands after. Do this every day before going to the bed for a minimum of 3 months. See the difference and thank me later.